what determines the value of an Amazon business?
Okay, so most importantly would probably be what is it generating? What type of revenue and profits? Is this a business, with a single product? Do we have multiple SKUs? Is Amazon the only platform you're selling on? The
Mm,
more platforms you're selling on, the more diversity you have, the higher the business will be valued. If your entire business is only based on Amazon, the risk of this business is much higher. But for example, I don't know if you're selling also on Etsy, on Walmart, you have your own website, social media, all that. You're able to generate more revenue and more profits from other platforms as well, your business will be valued higher.
all right, pretty cool. Basically, yeah, again, as you mentioned, like I want to add, I mean, it's just one of the things, there's so many, but like an email list. So if you can prove that you're getting specific amount of clicks, I guess, and you can see they are generating sales through like Amazon attribution links or something. So again, gives more value, I guess, because it's another like working, let's say, income stream to that same business. So, the more of these you have, and generally the bottom line, I guess, profit generally that it
Of
makes,
course,
this
higher
is like
higher margins,
margin, yeah.
products, with less competition. Of course, intellectual property. Okay,
Hmm.
are you able to protect your product?
Yeah.
Okay, is it a one of a kind product? Or am I able to contact, a supplier tomorrow in China
Yeah,
and
like this.
basically make the same product? Okay,
Hmm.
if the product is patented, is even design patent, okay, those businesses would probably be worth more.